Welcome again, my dear students. Today we are going to continue chapter in economics, profile of Indian agricultural rural development. Okay, in previous video I was discuss about role of agriculture in Indian economy. Okay, now in this video we will talk about organic farming. What is organic farming? And advantages of organic farming. Okay, so let's start with organic farming. First question arises is what is organic farming? So organic farming is a method of farming that relies on techniques such as crop rotation, green manure, and compost and biological pest control to maintain soil productivity and control pest on a farm. So, in other words, we can say organic farming is a farming method that involves nurturing crops without the use of fertilizers and pesticides. In this method of farming, biological fertilizers and pest controls acquired from animals or plant wastes are used. Okay, organic farming maintains and improves the ecological balance. Okay, now let's move on. Benefits of organic farming. So organic farming has several advantages over the modern conventional farming. Let's start with first one, that is protection of environment. Protection of environment. Organic farming is environment friendly. It would ensure protection of environment, improved soil fertility, better water quality, and prevention of soil erosion. So, organic farming protect an environment because if organic farming is used, the fertility of soil is not destroyed. Stay clean water quality and improve soil fertility. Disease do not become too much due to crop is produced by organic farming, because conventional fertilizers are not used. Fertilizers are used from made acquired animal waste and control and plant wastage. Okay, secondly, provision of health nutritional food. Organic farming would promote welfare of the people of providing healthy, tasty, and hygienic food items with higher nutritive values. Definitely, the organic farming that has taken place has been made healthy and nutritious. Provisions because of this, what happens it that the fertilizers you are using today's has a lot of chemicals which gives many new diseases. So organic farming keeps away from new diseases. Okay, and next one is improve in soil quality. Improvement in soil quality. So organic farming will be helpful in improving the quality of soil. Okay, organic farming definitely improves the fertility of soil, whereas today's fertilizers such as urea, pyrogen, zinc, etc. Destroy the fertility of soil. Yes, and next one is increased number of employment opportunities. Yes, a number of studies have revealed that organic farming requires more labor input than the conventional farming system. So, number of studies has shown that in the organic farming that is done, the labor is very much required, due to which the organic farming generate employment, and people will get employment. Yes. And last point is inexpensive inputs. Organic farming requires locally produced organic input that are cheaper than costlier inputs, such as high HYV means high yielding variety. Okay, high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizer, pesticides, etc. Such organic farming is more suitable for a small and marginal farmer. So yes, organic farming cheaper होती है because the process of organic farming which inputs are used are local and such as pest control acquired from animals or plant wasted, etc. While high variety yielding seeds are very costly, so this is cheaper method of farming, so that this is suitable for small and marginal farmer. Okay.